10 healthy breakfast ideas for kids. For children, a healthy breakfast is even more important as it helps improve performance and concentration through the day, whether in school or for those extracurricular activities. Giving healthy breakfast to children not only ensures supply of proper nutrition but also helps in forming and establishing good eating routine. However, there will be days when you might be pressed for time or busy getting children ready for their day. For those times, almonds can definitely be your go-to ingredient for a healthy breakfast. You can either sprinkle sliced almonds over your cereal or consume them whole. Almonds can add a nice crunch to your breakfast. A healthy breakfast can also help boost metabolism throughout the day for your children. After waking up, your child's body is in a state of calorie insufficiency after a night-long fast. Hence, consumption of a healthy breakfast becomes that much more important. A good, healthy breakfast also helps to maintain a steady blood sugar level, which control the need to snack aimlessly on high carbohydrate or high fat food during the day. If you are fitness conscious and work out, a timely breakfast can prove extremely beneficial for you too. Light yet healthy breakfast help fueling the energy level of kids and they don't feel heavy or bloated. Almonds are a great source of energy and keep those energy levels up. Whether you want to have a sit-down meal, need breakfast on the go for your kids or packing a lunch for your child, it can be quite the challenge to keep coming up with different healthy options that your kid would also enjoy eating. Hence, here are some quick, healthy, and nutritionally balanced breakfast ideas, tiffin recipes and tips to ensure your kids are well fed, happy and ready for their day. Almond milk is super healthy and can be your quick breakfast fix for kids. Pairing of food, almonds could be paired with fruits and yogurt for extra protein boost and antioxidants. Breakfast bars, almond and Rice Krispie breakfast bars could be made without refined sugar, are vegan and absolutely healthy and delicious. They are fun and hip enough for your kids to enjoy at any time of the day. Smoothies, almond soya milk smoothie is also a brilliant breakfast option. Almonds could be included in many ways since they are very versatile, have many nutritional benefits. Healthy breads, almond banana bread is a healthy breakfast option for kids. An entire loaf with a generous amount of almonds fulfill the morning nutrition quota. Porridge, with a little sugar and milk, seasoned with almonds make a power-packed breakfast option. Pancakes, almond pancakes are not only delicious but also satiating and healthy breakfast option. These antioxidant vitamin E rich nuts can make your pancakes a tastier, crunchier and simply irresistible. Cookies, almond cookies can be a great, on-the-go option for kids that you can be sure they will enjoy. Toasts, whole grain toast with yogurt and fruits can give you the satisfaction of health and your kids' taste. Fruit mania, seasonal and fresh fruits with a dash of honey can be a great source of many nutrients and the honey can enhance the taste of the fruits to successfully dip the scale to kids' likability. The author loves to talk about healthy food and how balanced diet can help live a fuller life. Also, the benefits of almonds cannot be neglected in our daily diet. A list of easy-to-make healthy recipes are also uploaded regularly. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.